Palestine is a beautiful country with a rich history and culture. It is home to some of the most important religious sites in the world, including the Al-Aqsa Mosque and many more. In our video, we will show the beauty of Palestine in all its forms. We will take you on a journey through the country's stunning landscapes, its vibrant cities, Your support means the world to us. Please subscribe to our channel AZ Travel Hero and like our videos to help us continue making great content.